In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your disabled account on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if due to some reasons your Instagram account was disabled and now you want to recover that account, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar type disabled Instagram account recovery. Click on this first link, disabled Instagram account. Scroll down and below this was this helpful tab, click on no and then click on other. Now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide all the details why your account was disabled, and at the end of the paragraph do not forget to mention your username and email address of your disabled Instagram account. Once you have done that, click on the submit option, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours your disabled Instagram account will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.